Hello, Mzansi. You are watching CMTV and welcome to our new show, Closure. Bring me back my stuff, where we give exes the chance to bring each other to the show and obviously get each other's things back. Do you have unfinished business? This is the place to bring your ex. Today we have Upilile, who feels like she needs some closure. Do comment down below. Do you think closures are necessary, overrated, or do you think it's necessary? All that judgment right after the show. Pilile, come through. Hello, Pilile. How are you?
I'm good, thanks. And how are you, Sissy?
I'm great. So you feel like you need closure from this particular ex.
Yes, dear.
Why do you feel like you need closure?
Ngine problem nge-ex yami eyavele nje yanyamalala esipacini without even explaining ukuthi kwenzakalani. He blocked me kuma-social media, on WhatsApp, blah blah blah. So even when I try to call him, but like his phone.
And how long has it been since he left?
It's been 3 months now.
3 months.
Yes.
And you're in a relationship right now?
Yes, I am. Because you see, ne, like keep on waiting for a person ongamazi nokuthi ukuphi.
Yes,
Stress
of
isodwa
course.
and umuntu yazama ukumfonela akatholakala nasefonini. Stress.
No, I understand. Does then your current partner know that you're here?
Yes.
He knows.
Yes.
And it does not
ngimtshelile.
bother him that you need closure from this particular ex.
At first, yeah, bekane problem, but then ngazama ukumcacisela ukuthi why am I doing this, ne?
Yes.
Not just for mina nalo ex yami, but just for I mean like as ukuthi ngifeel like right ngazi
Yes,
ukuthi okay fine,
ukhululeke nje.
ngikhululeke ngazi
Yes.
ukuthi okay fine kwenzakale this, that is why he did like what he did. So yeah, so uye wa understand after ngim explainele ukuthi why I have to do this.
All right, sis. So we will be calling the ex. He does not know why he's here. He does not know who the ex is that has brought him to the show. So let me go fetch the ex so we can solve udaba. Right? All right, give me 2 seconds. Okay, but Ramu, walk straight. Straight. So going right. All right. Okay, but Ram, walk straight a bit. Okay, this is the couch, then you can sit. Okay. The mic is on, right? Here you go, Putram. You just have to grab the pillow. Okay. Okay, Putram, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm great, thank you. Do you know what might have brought you to the show?
You? I don't want to tell lies. I don't know, as
You don't know.
I don't know.
Okay, this show is called Closure, right? Where we
Right.
give exes the chance to bring each other and get some closure. So if your ex feels like she didn't get any closure from you, she calls you to the show. Do you have any idea who might have invited you to the show?
Yo, ingabana ex lento. Hey, maybe Zanele or Nosipho,
Zanele Nosipo and?
Pilile.
Zanele Nosipo and Pilile. Oh, okay. So I'll unfold you, Putwab, and then you'll get to see who brought you to the show. All right? All right. I wish I could have a count.
Ngiyaphila.
Kumkani, my brother, why are you so underwhelmed?
Yo, lo muntu lo nimgqibele kudala oqala lo muntu.
3 months is a long time. She says she hasn't seen you since 3 months.
More than that.
More than that.
Yeah.
And what do you recall? What happened the last time you saw her or interacted with her, rather?
No, bese right yandazi mos bandibhizi ngento zami.
You busy ngento zakho, so you disappeared for 3 months.
Hayi, wathi unomuntu wakhe lo muntu kum.
Ah, Pilile, this is new.
I've never said that. Makakhuluma iqiniso. Lo muntu lo uvele wanyamalala.
Yes.
Just out of the blue, without saying anything, like
Yes.
ngamzama ukumfonela, one blocker kuma social media wakhe, and then I tried to call one of his friend and ask ukuthi ayibo, and then ukumkani kwenzakalani ngaye angimboni and
Yes.
akatholakali. He was like, no, ukhona. And then mina I was like kind of surprised because azange washo lutho kum.
Uthi
Kanjani
ngoba ngubani?
ukuthi ngine boyfriend? You know ama friends wakho mos I cannot say amagama wabangani bakho.
Yes.
But he told me ukuthi ukhona.
Zikhona aphi?
Kanti wena uhlala kuphi?
Uyabona ke into zabo.
But bukhona phi?
Ile nto nditsho benikhona bagqibe nalomuntu bebegqiba naye kuloo ndawo bebegqiba kuyo bazogqiba ngayo.
Hayi bo sigqibana nalento sigqibana nomuntu ebengigqiba naye kanti wena uhlala kuphi? Awuhlali lana kanti.
Okay, Philile.
Kwenye indawo.
You've told us what happened, right? You've told us
Yes.
what happened. So now tell him why he's here.
Into engidingayo ngidinga iclosure ne because wena wavele wanyamalala ungashongo ukuthi kwenzakalani. You understand? So at least nje explanation ukuthi kwenzakala 1 2 and 3 and 4 so that nomunye move on nomunye move on. You
Yes.
understand?
Ingathi ndiyatsho nje ukuba bendibhizi ngento zami.
Eziphi into zakho like ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi eziphi into zakho because ungaba busy ngento zakho ungaba busy maybe no groover maybe ungaba busy ne GF entsha maybe ungaba busy like so ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi yeyiphi lento busy ngayo.
Ngidala for ezonto andigroove
Wow.
No, Kumkani, my brother, you cannot say that. If you're busy nento zakho, does that mean now you disappear completely from the person that you're dating? What does that mean? Oh, go busy nento zakho for 3 months. What do you mean? You need to give us more.
Okay ke wena ndibuze wena ke sisi.
No, I'm the interviewer and nanibuza wena ubuza mina.
Yeah,
Mm.
ixesha lonke ubuthuleleni xa because it's more than
Uthi kaloku
3
she's been
months
looking
lonke
for you
singabonani.
and you blocked her on all social media platforms so she could not communicate. You understand? Why did you block her first of all? Masiqale
Azange
apha.
ndiblock.
Hayi bo wenza njani?
If umuntu bhuti wami can't find you on social media akakufumani on so it means you blocked them.
Azange ndiblock.
What happened?
Ndamnyama oqala phone yami yayilahlekile uyayazi nayo loo nto.
Hayi bo nami ifoni yakhe ilahlekile.
Uyayazi nayo ifone yami
Niksi
yayilahlekile.
nangefoni yakhe elahlekile. Ivele nje ifoni yakhe iyalahleka nje espaceni.
So when
Okay,
your phone
fine.
gets lost, you don't try to communicate with your significant other.
Hayi beze ngenazi numbers aloku.
Hayi bhuti mina I suspect buyuruza. I suspect buyuruza. I suspect.
Ndimdala for ezonto uruza.
But you need to give us more. You can't say you lost your phone, busy nento zakho, because she brought you here for closure, ne? So she can also move on peacefully. You need to know we need to know you stopped loving her. We need to know you found it. In fact, do you have a girlfriend right now?
Obvious.
Oh, that is why Mos.
Yangu obvious.
Still because une girlfriend enje.
Unawe
Ilento
nje.
ifone eyiphi usucamba.
Wathi unomuntu wakhe lo muntu lo.
Don't lie. I've never said that. Ungacamba manga. Ngangisho nini lonto leyo ngithi nginomuntu. Umuntu mina ngimthole after wena ungatholakali.
Uyavake?
Yes, after
What do you mean uyafake?
ungatholakali.
She
Ngithole
got umuntu
umuntu
omtsha
ngaleso
after
sikhathi.
you ghosted.
Kodwa usebhizi ufunana kodwa unomuntu uyayivake
Uba-
ngokulenza.
Ufuna i-closure.
Angifuni
Eyani closure
wena.
mosifanele wadlulele mosedlulele
Angifuni
already.
wena ndifuna nje qha ungitshela ukuthi kwenzakalani just explanation.
We
that
need an
nomuntu
explanation, but
understand.
You're not giving
Uyabona
us
ke,
anything. You've
uyabona
said
Philip,
nothing.
uthi ukuthi hayi awuzazi bofunani.
Hayi
Unomuntu
bo,
ngabe
angisazazi
usazofuna
manje
iclosure.
sifunani.
Njema
Yo,
sowenza
une-drama.
izinto nalontu
Hayi,
ngoku
Shem,
usaphinde uphinde
une-drama. In fact yazini angathi lento yakho le if awufuna uexplainer if awufuna ukusho niksi if uze ngalendlela oze ngayo hayi buda khawucabange kabili please ngiyacela.
Ngizocacisa ndini mina uyasho unomuntu mosi.
Cacisa. No ukuthi nginomuntu engithi nawe unomuntu mosi unayo
But when it happened, kaloku bengenamntu. So that's why we need an
Unaye
explanation.
kaloku ngoku uyakuthola ukonwaba mosi.
No, we need you to
Hayi bo.
explain for the time you left when she was dating you, not someone
Hayi
else.
nani nibuza into yakudala
Kumkani, give us something. You've said nothing. Since you've sat down, you've said nothing.
okokuqala ndanyamalala nda-Eastern Cape andiphiki leyo uba ndanyamalala.
Oh, uyatsho ngokuba wanyamalala.
Hamba vele na-Eastern Cape.
Why? We're trying to find the why.
Bendiyowenza into zami mosi ndiwase-Eastern
Zintoni
Cape.
into zakho?
Hayi uyazazi nayo into endibhizi zizo.
Hayi bo into nikazi ubhizi ngayo ngumculo and nami lo engwenzayo ke if uye Eastern Cape ukuthi yena ungangithathanga ke sahamba soyithusa
Yes.
eastern Cape.
Uzobhatalelwa ngubani?
Hayi bo ukanti ukuba kanti ngiboyfriend ngiyigirlfriend kabani nawe boyfriend yamanje ngiyogirlfriend yakho ayingiwanga mina bakubhatalela.
Uyadura ukuyapha mfondini uzobhatalela abantu
Hayi bo
ababili.
even nami ngingasibhatalela mos.
Uyabona nalosihlekisa le.
Hayi
Excuse me.
hey.
So, umuntu wakho right now, the person that you're dating right now, if you need to be busy in the Eastern Cape, now you're gonna ghost her and find another woman.
No,
If you need to go to the Eastern Cape with the person you're dating now, what do you do? What are you gonna do?
uyashiyeka mosapha.
But are you not gonna communicate
Hey.
that, babe? I'm going to the Eastern Cape.
Hayi
Yeah,
uyabashiya
siya-communicate.
bonke.
Lona thena ungacommunicate uphilile.
Wathi unomuntu wakhe lo muntu.
I really feel like-
why
Nami kwakunethe
uqhubeka
ebusuku
uqamba
wena,
ama
Chef.
ngathi nginomuntu wami kunethe ebusuku ngathi nginomuntu wami
Yeah.
ngasho ngathi nginomuntu wami
Why?
But
Wake
explain
wangibona
the
nginaloyo muntu.
scenario. Explain the scenario. What happened when she said umuntu
Uyabona
wakhe?
ke mina kangithanda uphisana nomuntu.
But explain the scenario. What
Okay,
happened?
ayo
Okay,
nawo amanga shem
ngicacise.
ewanda ikhothisa
Andithanda
ngala
ukuphikisana
nechelo ohlala
nomuntu.
naye
Bana
endlini.
lanto ukuthi inyani iyazivelela.
Yeah.
Ungafihla nje. Inyani hambe isivelele.
We need you to explain the scenario. What happened when she said umuntu wakhe? What were you guys doing?
Andaba sasincokola ngantoni ngalo I can't
Uyazibona?
remember like
Uyazibona
what
ukuthi
we were
unamanga?
talking about and then watsho yena wathi nomuntu wakhe.
Sis, unamanga
I also think he's lying.
uqamba amanga
Okay ke ndiyaxoka.
wangayazi
Awunaye
ukuthi
ngokumuntu.
manje after wena ungenzela iziphiribi into engayazi
Wokufunani ngokuphila?
ngifuna
Explanation as to why you left.
Hey, hayi
What kind of-
ngiyithanda into ethethayo.
Hey,
hey.
Xhosa ke lo yabo
Hayi.
uma sikhuluma ngomxhosa
Ngiyayithanda into
sikhuluma
ethethayo.
ngabantu abanjalo
Umuntu kodwa
shame.
usabhizi usayahomba into zakudala.
Hayi ke
It's from 3 months
eyamaXhosa
ago,
ke leyo,
Butwam.
More than
siyijwayele.
that.
Are you not understanding that she wants to
Yeah.
move on peacefully with her person, but iyamudla lento wayenzayo that you just left, picked up and left out of the blue? We are digging for the reason you left at the time that you left. Leave the fact that she has a person right now.
Peace yona sisizaba khona.
Izobaphi
Izoba
kuba
khona.
Ngoba ngeke
kanjani?
ndimfonela ndithi umuntu wakhe. Anazi number zakhe.
andithi uyayuruza nomuntu omfumana Eastern Cape.
So ipeace kulokuye nomuntu wakhe izaba khona.
Hayi
Izaba
sikhuluma
ninzi
ngamaXhosa shame.
So you're not gonna give us a reason as to why you left.
Hayi ndandihambile ndibhizi mosi.
Wawuhambile ubhizi.
Yeah.
Ayikho
But
explanation.
I've been asking you, this is the
Oh,
second time I'm
hambile
asking you this question. Ne? I said, if you were to leave your girlfriend right now, the one you're with right now, and go to Eastern Cape, you would communicate that, babe, I'm going to the Eastern Cape, I'll be back in a week. Why could you not do the same thing with Upilile?
Ndandimxelela nje naye.
Wawundixelela waze waye
And then she
ukundixelela
stopped
kanti.
finding you on social media.
Kwalo ndayeke ukuxelela ngoba mos uyabona ndithi nangobe
Like
singathethi.
wayekelana angithi wawungixelela waze wayekelana ukundixelela ke. Yintoni yakustopha ukuthi okay fine now angizukuxelela ukuthi
Okokuqala nindivuse ndilele phaa
Hayi,
kanti
kusho
ngizondivusela
ukuthini
umbuzo
ukulala?
imibuzo bendilele phaa
Hawu.
nandivusa nini.
Hey hayi ngumhlola so ngokuma uvusulela ukusho ukuthi ke ngoku ke at this time khona uthi wena uvuswe ulele akusesemini bhuti.
Ufuna ndilale
Sure.
ixesha ndifuna uvuka ngalo.
Hayi.
Uyambona ke lo muntu wakho.
Yo.
Diambona, but she really needs an explanation. Okay, Mzansi, we are taking it right to the second segment of the show, Confessions to Your Ex, where the exes now confess to each other things they did in the relationship without their knowledge, or rather ask each other questions. Unfortunately, we're not getting a proper explanation. We cannot be here the whole day. So I guess that part of the closure is now closed. We're taking it to the break, so stay tuned. Are you enjoying the show? Do you want to advertise your business and reach more people? Get the details right here on screen and fetch your live. Mzansi, welcome back to Closure. Bring me back my stuff. We are on the second segment of the show, Confessions or Questions to My Ex, where there is no fear, where the couples ask each other things they might have been curious about during the relationship. Pilile, Kumkani, are you guys ready?
Yes.
So you guys ask each other 3 questions. And be honest, no fear, you're not together anymore, right?
Yeah.
You're in a relationship.
Yes.
You're in a relationship with one, right?
Yes.
Let us start with the reason we're here, Upilile.
Have you ever loved me before?
Ngumbuzo njani lo mfondini?
Just answer a question or just answer
Yeah,
a
we
deep
were cool
question.
mos like bese right.
Okay.
Yeah.
But are you answering ilindeleyo leyo? Okay, but it's fine anyway. And then number 2, like wake wangichithela before because the wenza ngakhona mina ngibone ngazi ukuthi wake wachitha vele na before.
Andiyenzi lonto.
Lena yokuthi ke yona ke wawuzongithatha unginvite ukuthi ngiyobona ifamily yakho and nabangani bakho yona.
Ephi family?
Hayibo, awusena ifamily, le family sicala udibana wangitshela ngayo ukuthi wena
Ayina family
uzongi-invite to your family.
Wena ukambona umuntu wasekhaya?
Hayibo, uqambelana manga. Azange wangitshela ukuthi wena uzongi-invite kwi-family yakho.
Ephi family?
Awusena family wena.
Whoa.
Hey.
Awuxoki.
Hayibo, kuthini uqoka? Kuthini uqoka? Kuthini uqoka into eyikhulunywa nguwe?
Ephi family?
Azange wathi uzongi-invite kwifamily yakho wena?
eyiphi
Oh, today because of awusangithandi namhlanje awusayazi songibuza ukuthi ayiphi ifamily yakho. Kanti eyiphi ifamily onayo?
mosi mina.
Mawungena family unani?
Wena wakwambona njengoba koko wandazi wabona
Bengizobona kanjani ungazange wangi-invite ekhakini ukuthi mangiyomeet ifamily yakho? Bengizoyibona njani?
oh hayi sisi hayi uyaxoka hayi
Ukuthini uxoka?
Angifuni ukuthi
Ukuthini
uyaphosisa
uxoka?
hayi
Ukuthini
uyaxoka
uxoka?
straight
Ukuthini
Andina
uxoka?
family mina
Engathena umuntu oxokayo apha nguwe.
nje undiva ndithi ifamily yami this wanye tati
Hayi
azange
bo.
mina enye
Oh, ninjalo mos. Angithi umuntu mandibana naye nimtshengisa izulu nomhlaba umtshela ukuthi ngizokuthengela ibhanoyi, ngizoku-invite kwifamily yami, sizoshada. Namhlanje usazazi lezo zinto ngoba
ingathi
nakho
khona lento ufuna ungixela yona
enjengani?
ngiyaqala
Mos.
amadoda ehlangana nawo lamane ethi akuthekela ibhaloni
Hayi
ezitrain
bo.
eziporo
Kwakusitsho wena, kwakusitsho wena. Kwakusitsho wena. Okay, namhlanje usayazi but
So kumkani but deny deny. You've never
he's always
said
like
you're going to
that.
introduce her to your family.
azandatsho
And you
Wow.
stand by that statement ngenyawo eli-1.
leyo noba ngayaphi
Hey.
ngithethe
Okay but
which means yena into zakhe zetrain eziporo ne-aeroplanes into amane ezixelwa ngabantu
Ngempela.
yakhe lahamba kuwo.
And
Amaphi?
not you.
Ngicela ungitshele
Not
amaphi
me.
amadoda? Amaphi? Ekhona la mhlawumbe obunginikeze wona or wangibona nawo.
awuchazwa
Uzungitshela
xa
ukuthi
uhamba
amadoda.
kwestratweni
Uma ngichaza kusho ukuthi ngamadoda wami lawo. Wena ke awukubone nawe ngamantombazane ikhona le wangitshela ukuthi ngibona intombazane ibingifisha kula tavern.
okay
So
mina ngicela
namhlanje
umbuzo
awuyazi.
umbuzo oyi-1 la mini wawubuya ezuleki ukwanetha imvula wathi uyeza kum emva kwefoni yakho
Kwakunani?
yacika awabsesa kwaye kwenzeka ntoni
Ngangishaya iwoman on top.
oh
Uh-huh.
uyamfaka uthini lo muntu wakho
Yeah.
ninisusa
No,
leni
I like her honesty. And get you guys are not together anymore. And this is confessions to my ex.
And angibona ukuthi
You
angaba
wanted to, you
ne-stress
asked
ngoba
that question
sisekho
because you
together.
wanted to know.
oh
Second question, Butwa.
oh hayi okay asanga wachitha ke wena
Ngake ngachitha once.
Yo!
once
Ewe once. Wena
Nabazi.
wachitha kangaki?
ndikuphendulile mos
Andikuvanga.
Kumkani, I'm seeing a bit of hurt on your face. Why are you hurt? And get you Wamshiya, you ghosted, right? Why are you hurt, Butwa?
ingxaki umuntu azi umuntu oxokayo like akayiki lo muntu uyatsho kwayena uba wayoshaya iwoman on top phambi kwakho awusiva
Iyafihlwa ingane.
bazangachithi
Asisekho ndawonye mos akho nto efihlwayo because asisekho
wena
ndawonye.
xa nguwe ngoku xa sowudinekile ezi zinto ezazenzayo umntu akuxelelwa mntu uba usamfuna umosa awuthini yathula uhambe
Yeah.
so kwayena ngoku uzonzisa ndiyamayo lo mntu unayo indoda lo andiyiphiki le nto endiyithethayo
Yes, yes.
unayo
Vele
indoda
ndinayo.
But her
Uyafana?
argument, Uti, she did not have Lendoda when you guys were together. Indoda came after.
angandiyeki nje mna angandikhululi ngoba unayo indoda
But you left kaloku, you ghosted.
hayi
Befuna le
mfundisi
closure
umthethelela
ayifunayo.
nawe suthi le ndoda ube nayo ngoku ebetsho apha phambi kwakho ngondimbuza ngeendaba zezuleki ukuthi lo mntu ndiyandoshaya iwoman on top phambi kwakho
Azange
So,
singanale
sis wami,
ndoda
this
sethi
man-
ngangishaya iwoman on top.
This man you were doing a woman on top with, it's not the one you're with right now.
I know it's not.
Yeah, okay, but it's not.
uyabona ke
Ndiyayibona.
No ngase ngibhorekile because ayithanda ukungishiya yena uhlale unamaphathi awahambayo yena.
Uphathi?
Unogroove hayi bo ungathoni uyagroove wena uthi uyahamba uyaphuma nabangani bakho. Nami ngase
Abaphi
ngidiniwe,
abangani?
ngase ngidinwe nguwe nokuphuma nabangani bakho noma isidingo asikho. Wafuna ngithini?
ayikho loo nto
Nisuthi ayikho namhlanje ayikho.
andinawo mngani mna sisi
Oh, hayi
Oh
ke.
no, you don't have friends. You don't have a family. Wena Butwa.
Umuntu ongumculi, umculi wonke
Iyo!
asenakanamngani aqala uyizwa
hayi
namhlanje.
ngoba ngazi ii-colleagues xa
Hayi
une-colleagues
bo.
hayi ukuthi zii-friends
Yes.
zii-colleagues
Labo sukuhamba
I
nabo.
hear you.
andithi uyatsho ukuthi ezinye izinto awunozenza uyi-one
Yes, yes.
uyabona so ezinye izinto ayikuthi ngabangani bakho even noba uyafunda esikolweni
They're schoolmates.
zii-schoolmates
Ukuthi
Not
ulixoki.
ngabangani
Ulixoki.
bakho.
Ulixoki. Nandi
Yeah.
buzotshintsha mara soze utshintshe ulixoki.
Uthi
Unamanga.
awulixoki and
Yo.
akuphinde utshintshe,
Hayi
right?
soze atshintshe lo.
Oh.
Kuyabonakala nje soze atshintshe ulixoki.
hayi mna andikuthanda uphendulana nentombazane exesha
Oh,
elininzi ube
hayi ke.
ndikrwebhakrwebhana nomntu,
Hayi ke
uyabona?
Butwa, if you don't want to get into a cat fight, bring us to question number 3. What's your third question? What else would you like to know?
okay mandike ndimbuze wena njengoba sasifana ke silona umgogwana wothando iphi yakho ifemeli ndandike ndayibona
Azange uthi ufuna ukuyayibona mos. And
Uyifake.
azange ndake nakuthembisa ukuthi ngifuna ukuthi uyobona
Uyafaka.
ifamily yami. Hayi bo
No, but it's the
ngangithembisile.
man's job though.
Azange ngithembise
kaloku
mina ukuthi
awukwazi uforce umuntu ndiyamforsa mos nasesithi ngoku hey ndifuna ubona ifamily yakho ndiyakuforsa mos
But kaloku, did you
unalo
not promise to take
lokusho.
her?
azange
Hayi,
Okay.
yazini ne ngihlale ngisiva ngamadoda amaXhosa kuthiwa amadoda amaXhosa this amadoda amaXhosa that, but I've never thought ukuthi indoda engangijona nayo eyomXhosa nayo i-this and that. Hayi bhuti,
wawufunani
Like-
emaxhoseni ke kwakuqala
hayi bo ngangizothini ungange kaloku
Andithi nje awukudala
wawungithembisa
usive.
izulu nomhlaba mos wangithembisa uzongithanda njengezulu nomhlaba kodwa hey
ndilithathaphi izulu mna
elo
ndilithathaphi
zulu, elo
umhlaba
mhlaba loyo.
endithembisa ndilithathaphi
Kwakusho wena kufanele ngabe nguwe lo ngikubuza ukuthi izulu nomhlaba nebhanoyi lo ongithembisa zona ziphi namhlanje.
njengoba uthi wena ndikuthembisa nebhaloyi netrain nozulu nomhlaba
Wawungithembisile.
ndizithathaphi mna zonto
Ngikwazela
ndinayo ikiriva khona mna
because awunayo
itroli le
even ekiriva le awunayo even ebhayisikili so
Kenyani
ndangixakwe
ke.
ilezulu nomhlaba cha ke nami ndangisabhidela uthando ukubona umuntu uma umthanda uqomba noba into azithethayo zingabubuxoki but
kungcono
uzobhiliva
kuyibeka
yonke into ayithethayo.
uyibeka kakuhle jonga
Pendula
Jongentoni?
sister.
jonga
Pendul.
Hello baby.
Yo!
faka abantu beni
No, ndisaseshawini ndizaphuma kodwa ngekudalanga ne uzakufonela xa ngiphumayo.
Yo!
Okay ke shadi ke baby. Ngizakubona ngekudalanga.
Hayi mayivalwe ishow.
benitheni
Buchi.
Butheni makuthiwa
bengathanga inyani izasivelela ngoba
Makutheni.
uyabona ube niphendulana nomuntu mna benzithini
bengitshelile ngathi nginomuntu khange ngisho ukuthi nginomuntu.
lo muntu
Khange
But
ngisho.
Buchi, her man calling does not prove anything.
Vele.
It does not answer our question as to why you
which means
left.
ninobabini anihlanganyela
Ayikho
No.
lonto leyo into endifuna
Mina-
yazi lonto lena ubuzoyenza ibe easy ube kuthiwa ubuphendule into like ungitshele lento endiyifunayo le answer ndifuna uyiva why wavele wangishiya nje ungatholakala
xa singaya
esifonini.
kule foni lena sijonge iwhatsapp nefoni asinobona
No
izipicture
ayingendawo into ka WhatsApp nefoni.
Ngena-
iyangena lo ngoba
Azingeni.
niyanhlanganyela nobabini
Anokho
apha
umuntu
nithi
okuhlanganyelayo wena just answer the damn question. Okay?
kubantu ayilorhexe lakho leli kufonela
No I know ayilo khexe lami
Ewe.
indoda yami le endinayo.
Kodwa
Ngoku,
ubhizi-
ngela xesha wena wawungishiyile. Wacabanga ukuthi maybe ndizoba miserable. Ndizophatsha or wacabanga ukuthi esikhathi ungishiyayo andizuba into yanto or wacabanga lexesha ungishiyayo uyanilahla kuba bekho abanye abazonibona hayi wawusikhohlisa bhuti.
hey unedrama
Ngedrama.
unedrama
Ngokuxela
une-days of
inyani
gold
nedrama.
yazi.
Ngokuxela inyani. Hayi kahle.
le nto
wena.
imake
Oh,
ndikubuze
kahle
umbuzo
bo.
ke wokugqibela
Sure.
mhlawumbi le ndoda yakho xa ingeva bobhizi nami apho ndibizele apha izitudio
Iyayazi ndiyixelele mos. Ndiyixelele uba ndiza apha ndizothini apha. Because uyayana ndimxelele uba ndandine ex enguwe eyavele yanyamalala
ivuma ubona ne-ex yakho
ukuthi uyayibona i-ex kusho ukuthini lokho uyayazi uba ndimthanda kangakanani and uyayazi ukuthi wena akusekho into ephinde
hayi
idibanise nawe.
fish yazi waza mhle fish
Wena nje uma ungangitshela qha ukuba wangishiyelana emveni kokho ke.
ithini le
sihlukane.
ndoda yakho njengoba uzondibuza ezonto apha
Ithini?
ewe
Iyayazi ukuthi nami ngifuna ipeace
iphisi yani
enhlizweni yami.
ngoba
Ukuthi wena
mosakho
wanshiya.
ntoza awutsho noba ijacket
No,
yami
na
kuwo okanye
yenzela
something
ukuthi
yami
in
kuwo
future into yami nawe ingasi-affect so that is why because uma umuntu umshiye ungonelanga okusala noba ungajumpa to i-next relationship uzohlala ucinge back because awunawo la peace yokuthi okay ifoni lo muntu lo wangishiya because of this and that and that instead umuntu vele uyabaleka so at least uma uzongi-explain ungitsheni ukuthi okay fine ngikushiye because of this and that and that nami ndizoxola and then sisho-ke simuve on omunye endaweni yakhe nomunye endaweni
hey
yakhe.
utsho ukuthi inkulu le nto
Simple.
But
ndakwenza
one,
yona
what don't you understand about what she's saying? Oh,
Nama
you don't understand
understand.
what she's saying.
lo
Ukuthi
mntu
yena
uzile
engayi-understand-iyo.
kakuhle andithi
Yes.
uba wayiphi wathi wayoshaye uman on top
Yes.
wathi wayitshithile
Mm.
so andithi ingathi ndiyatsho uba xa uzodinekile ngumntu awukho nto ubumcala
But
vele uhambe
Kaloku, when you left, you did not know that she was doing women on top. You did not know that she cheated. So it feels like you left for no reason.
bendiyazi andithi ndamfowunela lami kwakunetha wathi uzoza kum emva kokwazi xa sendifowuna ifowuni yakhe yacikwa i-2 days
Okay.
kwakusaturday ifowuni yakhe
Yes.
noba yovulwa tuesday so ezinye izinto bendizibona but ndithule just because of andifuna uthetha
Oh, so you left because you were suspecting cheating.
yeah
But sis,
Uyamva ke sisi wami?
no, but as in because of my cheating.
Suspected cheating. Why?
Oh,
Suspected that
suspected.
you are
And then,
cheating.
like wayengangibuzanga yazini sisine
Mm.
isikhathi siyahamba and lo muntu akafuna ukungitshena ireason yokuthi why wayengishayayo uya understand engasavela akhulume yazini sivele sidlule lento le because umuntu wami uyandifuna endlini and I'm sure namuntu wakhe yamfuna
Uyatsho sisi
Uyafana
wami kaloku.
ngoku.
Your answer ne? Uyatsho sisi wami, he was suspecting cheating.
Oh, he was suspecting
Waghost.
cheating. alright.
Yes.
Hhayi ke, ngelishwa ke Shem, at that time, I was no longer cheating.
Mm.
Ngalesi sikhathi wena ungishiyayo, ngangasa-cheat. Ngase nginawe kuphela. But-ke, it doesn't matter anyway. Because manje, senginomuntu wami, nawe unomuntu wami.
Yes.
And akusekho ucenga omunye, you understand?
Alright.
Unisapha apha ke ngoku.
Just
To get this answer kaloku Bhuti, that you've now given her. Mnikili answer. That's what she wanted. That was the reason she brought you here. Are you satisfied with the answers she's given you?
Hayi ndi-right mna.
No more wondering.
Hayi ndi-right mna.
Sis Philile, are you okay with the answers he's
No,
given
I
you?
know. I'm fine. In fact, I'm more than okay.
You can now move on with your current man.
Oh, kakhulu futhi.
All right.
Because ngena lapha engikhona
Can move out.
ngijabule.
Sekudala wamuva
Yes.
athi lo muntu
Ngihleli ke futhi
ini.
ngingasenandabana naye wethu, ngingasamcenganga nokumcenga, kusengasekho ndanga khona into engishisayo ngaye.
Yes.
Understand la nto?
Echazayo
Ya,
nje.
khona into engichazayo ngaye.
Yes. All right, Mzansi.
Sorry
That
kancane sesihamba before uvalisha yakho ne. Nazi into zakho. Uthi
Oh.
thatha into zakho.
So ndahlela
Ngiyagcwalisela
ngazo
upha
ngoku.
endlini. Asena space.
Okay. So you had
Zinto
left some
ngizonezi.
things, but
Yo na ne-headphones zami elisela kuni ndizifune.
That's thatha izibile ngokuthi nandizinikwe nguwe kumnandi
Wena
usithi
ndikunike
ungibole
nini?
ukuthi mandizithathe.
Ye ulisela mani.
Hayi
Yo
suka
gawa
suka ubamba
uxoxela
mawukusile.
uyobela loo ndoda leyo yo wenkosi.
Nangoku.
All right, Mzansi, we've had that coincidentally. Bring me back my stuff. We've come to the end of the show. He left because he was suspecting some cheating. Please do catch me on the next show. My name is Lisa Sirami Ntombi Yasegqeberha. That's it from me.